For many young people, it can often feel like career and job opportunities are limited and hard to access, particularly those of us growing up in more rural and coastal areas.
Work experience is a really great way for us to explore what's available locally, as well as an opportunity to build our skills, make connections and learn from people working in industries we're interested in. Also gives us real, hands-on experience we can add to our CVs.
But work experience isn't just good for us, it can be great for you too. We can bring fresh ideas, different perspectives and skills that might be helpful for you. It's good to remember that we are your future workforce, so it is important to invest in us now.
Finding work experience can be hard. We often have to find work experience opportunities ourselves through friends or family, which can be difficult if we don't know people in different industries. So please be proactive, reach out to local schools, colleges or youth groups and let them know you're open to offering placements.
Once a placement is confirmed, we're usually excited. We can also feel a bit nervous, anxious and overwhelmed. Good communication really helps here. Offering a meeting before we start, letting us know what to expect, what we'll be doing, what to wear, what to bring, where to go, and who our main contact will be. This can make the whole experience a bit less daunting. When it comes to the work experience itself, we have a few requests.
Help us feel safe, supported and welcome. Remember, being in the workplace may be a totally new experience for us. Can be helpful if you have a younger member of staff or someone we can relate to act as a point of contact and support us through the placement.
It works better if you pre-plan or structure our time with you. That way we all know what's going on and you can schedule the time so we can experience different things in your organisation.
Give us a project or task we can really get stuck into. We want to learn and practice new skills whilst contributing to and supporting the work you are doing.
Support us to develop the key skills you use every day. This really helps us to be ready for work in the future.
Introduce us to different people and roles. Talking to others about what they do and how they got there helps us to figure out what our next steps need to be.
Keep things practical. We love to be hands-on. We know that there needs to be a balance and not everything about work is always interesting, but we do want this experience to be inspiring and engaging.
Finally, give us some feedback. Help us to develop our CV and maybe even give us a mock interview. These are practical tools and experiences that will help us to feel confident to take the next steps in our careers.
So what are you waiting for? Host a young person and work experience this year. We promise it will be a good experience for you and us.